and I could barely afford a BMW 4 Series, right? A lease with my salary, working 10 hours a day and sitting in traffic jams. And to be honest, man, when I was sitting there, it just drove me. I got angry and depressed, and frustrated, because I knew there was some kind of way to make more money, but I didn't know what it was. And that actually led me to hanging with the wrong people, do a lot of drugs, steroids, and a lot of parties and alcohol, all those three things combined. And it actually got so bad, so I ended in the hospital. And the doctor told me my kidney number was higher than a cancer patient. And I didn't care. I went out, took more drugs, more steroids, more party, right? Until my family kind of slapped me in the face and said, Philip, what the F are you doing? Can you see all of these people getting sad if you die from an early age? And seeing my mom cry like that changed everything for me. What they did right there, they probably saved me from dying at a pretty early age. So for that they did right there, I wanted to give them everything. I wanted to help them. I wanted to help my mom. She was also struggling financially. My dad, also his business was failing as well, so I wanted to help them. So I went on Google how to make money online.
That's what everybody does.
Everybody. And I saw all of the people in Dubai, all of the kids driving Lambos and you name it. And I was like, damn, I want some of that, right? And I bought everything, man. I bought everything. I jumped in with both legs. I bought everything.